Background of study. Employer interaction is a crucial metric that measures the rate at which employers leave an organization over a specific period. It is an inherent aspect of any workforce and can significantly impact of a company overall performance, culture, and a bottom line. Employer interaction can occur for various reasons such as finding internal job opportunity or career advancement, personal reason, dissatisfaction with condition, or issue with management. Next, we go to the objective. The objective of this project are: firstly, to describe the descriptive statistic of the monthly income and the job level. Second, to identify the trend and a correlation between monthly income and a job level. Third, the model the monthly income and the job level using simple linear regression. Last but not least, to make prediction using the simple linear regression model. Significance. There are some of the significance that have been discovered during this study. The first one is of employment opportunity. Unskilled labor are generally seen leaving organization and moving out in no time. This is because of a lot of reasons, major being that feel exploited given there is no job security. Skilled professionals, on the other hand, are secured by policy, contract, and mostly their qualification. They remain with the organization for long unless something major happens. The organization generally does not realize that need to create positive environment for unskilled labor. This should be changed as they are the major workforce, especially for manufacturing unit and a similar undertaking.
These are the selection data that we use for this study. The data range is 40.
Data description. Table 1 shows that monthly income and job level is a type of quantitative variable, while level of measurement for monthly income and job level is a ratio because the zero value means nothing. Graphical technique. There are several graphical techniques that we learn in this subject. Some of the graphs include bar chart, histogram, or GIF, and scatter plot. GIF, or also known as commodity frequency polygon, is type of graph that was constructed to visual the commodity frequency with similarity to histogram. Scatter plot. Scatter plot is the visualization of the relationship between the independent variable and dependent variable. The x-axis of the graph will represent the independent variable, while the y-axis will represent the dependent variable.
Numerical technique for descriptive statistic analysis is mean, where we find average, median, where we find the middle value, minimum value, maximum value, and standard deviation.
Numerical technique for correlation and regression. For this part, we use this formula to solve our problem. These formula are Pearson correlation coefficient R, coefficient of determination R square, and also simple linear regression model Y.
This is the data present where we show our graph. For mean value, it shows that the average income of 40 employees is around 5,172 ringgit and 70 cents. For median, 50% of the employee has monthly income less than 3,372 ringgit and 50 cents, while the other 50% has income less than that amount. For the minimum salary of the employee is 1,232 ringgit. For the maximum monthly income received within the employee is 19,094 ringgit. For the standard deviation, it shows that the income differ by approximately 4,438 ringgit 40 cents from the mean value. The job level also differ around 1.1 from the mean value.
Hi, my name is Nohana Karina, and I will explain for part correlation and regression. From that data, we can plot the graph using scatter plot with a graph of the regression line. So, monthly income is the dependent variable and job level is the independent variable. From regression statistic, we got the value for multiple R, R square, and also coefficient and standard error for intercept and job level. Value of correlation coefficient R, we got 0.966. There is positive correlation between job level and monthly income. For equation of regression line, we got y is equals to negative 1510.8933 plus 3931.5108s. And these are the prediction for this slope of the regression line. We got 3931.5108. For every increase in job level, the monthly income will increase 3931.5108. And the value of the regression model R squared equals to 0.934. This means that 0.93% of the total variation in monthly income count is explained by the job level count. Another 99.07% of the variation is explained by other variables.
Conclusion. In conclusion, the relationship between two variables which are monthly income and job level is positive. Therefore, it is proof that monthly income does affect a job level. The higher the monthly income, the higher the job level. Next, the type of the graph that is suitable for the data is to scatter plot and no give for it shows the frequency of the data.